In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Entity Creator visibility in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're working inside a project and want to manage who can see entity creators, this setting is exactly what you need. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can switch it on in just a moment. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Base44 project. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace or project before changing any settings, so you apply the update in the right place. Once your project is open, look for the dashboard and click on it. This will take you to the main control area where you can access project options and configuration tools. From the dashboard, find and click Settings. This is where Base44 keeps the important project controls, including visibility and access options. When the settings page opens, look for the Entity Creator Visibility option. You should see a toggle next to it. All you need to do is switch that toggle on. Once it's enabled, the setting is active and Entity Creator Visibility will be turned on for your project. That's it. The change is now made. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference when you need the right visibility settings for your entities. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more Base44 how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.